Hey everyone, what a great day. Awesome day here. It's John on my news desk and prop trading desk. Today's Monday, January 6, 2025. Got a lot of exciting news to go over real quick. Let's take a look at this Bitcoin chart. Had a nice pivot down to the demand zone. Had a nice trading day yesterday on Sunday. So just want to kind of look at this. The dippy dip in Bitcoin dips below the meridian of the supply or demand zone here and then pivots up. It's like 2,000 points. So, it gives a short signal here, add to here, too high price here, and then gives a short. So let's see if we get a price dip back down to the demand zones. Again, here at the support levels or S1, S2, and S3. But real quick, let's go over the news today. Congress is ready to certify Trump's election win, but his January 6th legacy hangs over. Okay, major news, obviously with weather, it's January. Major winter storm covers 13 states, breaking snowfall records in the east here. Okay, news on New Orleans. Okay, Canada Prime Minister Trudeau is likely to announce resignation. So we got political upheaval in Canada. And then CBS News is reporting January 6th case hangs over the balance. And then NBC Biden bans new offshore drilling among most of U.S. coastline. So oil wars are heating up. So here's the chart on Bitcoin. So let's see if we get the dip. Let's look at the pivot points real quick here, ladies and gentlemen. This is on bar chart. So I bought the dip yesterday 3 or 4 times at the pivot point at 97,735 spot 18, then traded it for a nice 1,600 point profit. And now it's greater than the pivot point. So the market's bullish. And, Bitcoin is up today. It's up like 900 points, about 1%. So we got resistance levels here. It did achieve greater than the first resistance point. So this is what we have for today on January 6th, 2025. And so these numbers they've been in effect for the last couple of days. So I've had some nice pivot point trades with Bitcoin. So let's look at what's being reported on Yahoo Finance. All right, we have jobs report. It's big week for tech. So we got a lot of technology news this week. Fresh labor market data provides food for thought as the Fed's rate path stays squarely in focus. NASDAQ, S&P surge as chip gains buoy stocks. It's a lot of chip news. So this is what we have today. Let's see, Trump team considers a narrower tariff plan. So we'll see how the tariff promises play out. Again, offshore drilling banned. Intel shows off AI PC chip. So if Intel's doing great, Advanced Micro Devices is active also. Stock market's just opened up. AMD, you can see, is very active shares. And also NVIDIA Nippon deal. They're going to file suit after Biden blocks a deal. US Steel is up. Dollar falls most in 2 months on reports on tariff. So we're looking at the Dixie, the US dollar. Canada's Trudeau is going to resign. MS Strategy Wilson warns of risk to stocks as yield surge. Yahoo co-founder on AI, the wave is coming. So we got a lot of news on AI. Fed's further rate cut can come cautiously. Lucid, interesting news on Lucid for EV, electric vehicles. And it says Berkshire is being sued for risky home loans. So we got a lot of news here, recently viewed stocks. Let's take a look at this. Top gainers, Ookla, OKLO, active. Rivian Automotive is active. Joby, Archer Aviation and Riot Platforms is pumping. And most active stocks here is NVIDIA, Rigetti Computer, Rivian Automotive, Lucid Group, and Plug Power. Very actively traded. So NVIDIA is rocking and rolling. Advanced Micro Devices, Taiwan Semiconductor. So got a lot of news going on with the different tech stocks. And so that's what I have for today. I'll move this up real slowly. We'll close this out. So again, here's the pivot points on Bitcoin. Let's see if we get a breakout on Bitcoin greater than the first resistance level of 99,416 spot 52. And we'll go back and look at the chart again. It's under a sell signal here first thing in the morning, but let's see. We had a nice dip, you know, it pivots up, dips down into the demand zone, gives a short. I was real close. I was only about 200 or 300 points off from getting a fill, so I missed it. But I wait and just let the market come to me. So I have limit orders in place now to purchase Bitcoin at the pivot point here at 97,735. I did 3 or 4 trades in a row and such in the last couple of days. And then I also have pivot point trades, limit GTC orders in effect at these 3 separate pivot points. First, 96.5, 94.8, and 93.7. So let's see what we have there. That's on bar chart. I'll put the links below for this. But here's the chart. Bitcoin, man, it's rocking and rolling. Look at this thing. Once its all-time high is about 108,000. It's so close to 100,000. You see that it got resistance here, and supply here, now it's dip. But are we going to get the dip back down to the meridian or less than the meridian of the demand zone? So that's what I have for today. So my trading plan is I'll continue to dollar cost average Bitcoin every day. I'll purchase SPY ETF for the S&P 500, and then purchase my blockchain ETFs, BKCH and block, BLOK. So that's all I have for my trading plan. Let's see, Bitcoin's pumping a little bit. Let's see if we get a breakout above 96 or 99,600 for Bitcoin. So just a quick video. I've got geopolitical news with Canada, the tariffs, and then the US dollar and the Dixie chip stocks, Taiwan Semiconductor. There's been some news about, the potential of China invading Taiwan. So we shall see. And we've got a few days left now until President Trump is installed into office. So that's what we have for today, everyone. Doing great. Running about 7 minutes. Again, not political, just opinion only, and not investment advice. I have to say that. Read the risk disclosure. But hey, please like my video, give it a share, and let's get the word out. Thanks, everyone. It's John on my news desk and prop trading desk on this Monday. Great day. Thanks.